Okay, yo, this is me backtesting every day until unprofitable day 63. Yeah, let's go. um, let's see where I left off yesterday. So this is where I left off yesterday. So we're in October now, actually. September ended in a loss, which is not even that bad. Yeah, in October now it's going better. And I've taken, let's see, and I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in October, 1 loss, 2 losses, and 1 win, and now like back at break even, and that win also brought me back up again, which I'm up 1.24%, which with risking 0.85% or 58%, sorry. Yeah, let's just go. So it'll just be an hour backtesting, can't do much longer because I have to go after, like right when this hour is over. Yo, that's a quick sub. Braswell are Ariel. Thank you, man, for subscribing. Let's see where we are in the charts. So yeah, I was pretty bullish here. So stage of accumulation is going to be the target, which was, this was my drawn liquidity, which these are all taken. Let's see what day this is. So this is Monday, 9th of October. Let's put this on here. Let's actually go stand. Yeah, okay. All right. So, what day is this? 9th of October, 2023. Okay, let's see. So this is a bank holiday, so I'm skipping this. Going to the next day, which is Tuesday. We have medium impact fuller news, and we have CPI this week. So this is only going to be the AM trading. My drawn liquidity is the buy stop here. I do see that we're holding this singular 3-day SIBI, which I do anticipate for it to get used as support, to be acting as an inversion. So we did take the lows. We are reacting off of the singular busy here, the low. So yeah, I'm still expecting bullish prices. Didn't take any market maker or what, didn't take any stages of accumulation, so yeah. Still the draw would be higher. We're also holding this singular, what is it, 2 hour inefficiency, no actually 4 hour. Yeah. So yeah, just a really simple trade. It will be in here, which is going to be internal to external. Let's mark this out here. Actually 2 hour. No, not even 2 hour. 4 hour. So yeah, looking for internal to external. We have medium impact fuller news, so all the AM session trading, we have clean highs up here. Okay, it looks really good. Let's see. Then we are holding this 30-minute, and yes, we are respecting it also. Let's see here. We do have like a trend line here. Let's see, hopefully we trade lower. Okay, we did, but no inversion. Trade higher, still no setup for me. Nothing here. Okay, so we do take the buy side. This is the 10 a.m. candle opening, which was the low-hanging fruit. Still be looking for longs. Yeah, which would be the buy side up there. Yeah, let's see. And then we didn't take all the sell side here. Yeah, we don't have to. Still trading higher. So it doesn't really look like I'm getting an entry here. Nothing here. No inversion, no trade. Nothing here. And then this is literally the whole AM session. Wow, okay. Let's see if we did anything in the PM session. My draw is still there. But it didn't get any entry inside of this leg here, which is really unfortunate. This is the PM session, which I'm not trading because of the medium impact forward news. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Because I'm not trading the PM session. Look how bad the price action is. So let's go to Wednesday, which is the next day. Let's see. Okay, still didn't take out the buy side up here, which is good. And then I don't know if we inverse this yet. I don't think we did. No, we didn't. Okay, so we are still holding it, but yeah, draw is still higher for me there. See what we're holding here. So we do have a singular 30-minute, which we are holding with that big wick. That must be news. Yeah, that's PPI. So we do have this here. 30-minute on ES, but we have nothing here, so that would be optimal trade entry or equilibrium. Wow, look at that. Is that to the tick? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. Yeah, so draw would still be higher. This would be the low-hanging fruit. This here. Buys it up here. Yeah, and looking for longs here. We don't have any other news, so oh wait, we do have FOMC meeting minutes, which isn't the FOMC statement. So this should be still tradable in the AM session. That's low-hanging fruit already taken. See if he can still get an entry to the upside. Here they take equal lows. Don't have an inversion, so no trade. Okay, did take equal lows now, create a singular SIBI, which we did close above after taking again equal lows, so this will be my entry. Still looking for longs here, so this is the candle opening. And also here, which traded lower, looks pretty good. Actually gonna put on a good song. Oh, this one is good. I know it's, I don't know if I even like, I do get some copyright, but there's one that I want to have on right now. I don't know, just put on one. Okay, so stop, second lowest candle. We do get the inversion. We're also holding the singular busy, which is a 50-minute one. No, it's a 30-minute one. And then we do have all this low resistance liquidity without taking any highs. We do have an SMT up here, but this is all low resistance liquidity. So I'd go break even at a 101. First TP would be inside of a 102, at least a 102. So this would be first TP. 101 break even. Yeah, let's see here. And then we did take the equal lows, which we didn't take those, but we did take these. And then also took all of, didn't take those, but still took equal lows, have the inversion displacement. Okay. And that's a stop loss. Okay. And bit of choppy price action, but eventually we do come up there. But that's already one loss. So copying the image. Unfortunate loss. Open this. Okay. And then open this as well. Place this in here. Okay, let's see here. Still can take another trade. Okay. So this looks really good. So we did take all these equal lows here. Do a bit of choppy price action, but the volume is still good. We take all those equal lows and we instantly inverse up here. And draw liquidity would still be looking good, so I'd be pretty confident with this. Stop second lowest again after the sweep, and this is basically power of 3 also. And then first TP would be at this lower, this like the first swing high here, but that wouldn't be my first TP because this is all low resistance liquidity. So I target a what is it? Stage of accumulation. So at least needs to be 1 or 2, which this isn't. And then because wait, oh my god, I'm confused here. When there's stage of accumulation, yeah, it has to be at least a 1 or 2. Okay, wait, because this is my first TP, it's not a 1 or 2, so I take 1 and 2 first TP, and stage of accumulation is going to be all the other TPs. Okay, let's see. And then break even is at a 1 to 1 because this is all the resistance, or ES takes this high. Let's see. Okay, so that's a break even already, NTP. So 75% would go off here. And the next start is going to be stage of accumulation, which this is. And then this would be the original consolidation. That would be full TP. And then my drawn liquidity is even higher, but this is a 1 to 4. I would be totally fine with that. Stops at break even. And wow. I really wasn't expecting that, but nice. So beautiful power of 3, but yeah, wow, really wasn't expecting that. Let's mark this out. First TP, low hanging fruit, 1 of 5 RR, top equals 1 to 2 fixed RR TP. Which is here. Wait, what? How is this a 1 of 5? It is what? What? Okay. So this would be full TP. Or full TP, those would be the 1 and 2. And this would be original consolidation. Full TP because stage it, because there are no stages. Accumulation after first TP. Top. So this was a W, but still crazy price action. Wow. So copy image, paste this in here. So yeah, took one loss, one W on the day, so it skipped the rest of this day. I'd still be bullish. Didn't expect that to happen, but let's see. So skipping this day, next day is going to be Thursday, where we have CPI, and let's see what this day was doing. So wow, there was really bullish price action here. See if there would have been another trade, even though like my rules have already been like it's either 2 losses on the day, or 1 win and 1 loss, or 2 wins on the day. But yeah, so now this day I took a win and a loss, so there would be no other trades. But let's see if there was any other setup even. I would still be looking for longs. Wouldn't be anything here. Nothing here. Is this an inversion? Wow. Break even would be at this candle. Wow, that would be literally the bottom. Did we have news at 2? Oh, we had FOMC meeting minutes, so that means 50 minutes before I can enter. Can't enter. Then this is 14, this is FOMC meeting minutes. Takes a low, no inversion here, nothing here. Yeah, okay, so there would be no entry anyway, so that's really good. This is the next day with CPI as well, and we still have these clean highs, which is the first stage, or is a stage of accumulation, which would be my TP, or which would be my target. So we have a singular 4-hour BIS here, so it would be we go to internal and then go to external with these highs and these kind of highs combined. We have equal highs, and then we have a singular BIS here as well, and then same idea, of course. Oh, let's see here. Do we have any other news? We don't. Okay. So let's see here. Hopefully we trade lower before we go higher. Let's see. Do trade lower, taking out all these equal lows. NQ is still consolidating, still waiting. We did take equal lows here now. I have a singular SIBI. Wow, didn't we take these lows? No, we didn't. And still that singular SIBI would be the inversion now I'm looking for. Again, wow. And then this is still the lowest swing low to swing high, so still the SIBI is what I'm looking for to get inversed. Okay, which we did. Wow, that's crazy. 10.04. Yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty good entry still, because the stop is going to look big, but TP is all the way higher. So stop, second lowest candle off the sweep, which would be this candle. Like we're not really correlated well, or not moving in tandem well. Yes, did close below, which is pretty crazy. Is it in equilibrium as well? Yeah, okay. So they went to equilibrium, optimal trade entry. But it wasn't in the premium. Wait, no, it wasn't. Okay. Yeah, break even would be at this high, which is a really tight break even. But let's see here. And our first TP is going to be at this high, which is not even a 102, so the 102 would be first TP. Let's see. So that's a break even. Oh wow, nice, come on. There's no way we're going to get break even and then not take the high. Alright, maybe I jinxed it. Well, I did. And did take equal lows, still in the right time. This would also be my inversion setup, so I'm going to take this again. Replay here as well. Yeah, really unfortunate break even here. The inversion would be all the way here, which we did tap. Wow, look at that. But yeah, let's see here. And then we still have the equal highs up there. Okay, so I will mark this out as a trade, but this is a break-even trade where I get another opportunity as well. So paste in here. We now take the equal lows. We have the inversion. So my entry would be on this candle. Stop second lows candle. And let's see here. First B would be the 1 to 2. Let's see, breaking would be at this high, which we haven't taken yet. Which would be at a 1 to 1 actually. Because this is all our resistance. This is fully closed in, so that would be a balanced price range. And then same on ES would be there. And that's a stop. And I don't know if that moved to TP. I think it didn't, but still that's pretty pretty crazy. Yeah, okay. Was there another entry after this as well? Took one low. Yeah, no other trade there. So that's pretty unfortunate. Stop out. It didn't even hit TP, but still. Would have been a break even then. But yeah, that's another loss. I think 2 losses now. No, 1 loss, 1 break even. And we did take the target here now. And do skip to the PM session now. Wow. That's a huge drop. So stage of accumulation has now been taken. To get a drop lower. If I do want to look for shorts, I need to see this get inverse. We still have 44 minutes left. Like, this is a crazy drop, but I need to see at least that close below before I can look for shorts. ES is pretty close. ES did already inverse it. No, I can look for shorts then. ES did already inverse it, so that's okay. And we have sell side below there. I would still be bullish, but then it would be just rebalancing to a bigger inefficiency. See where that is going to be. That would be here on the daily for NQ. Yeah. Which is going to be here. Let's see if there is a short setup. Did we get a 5-minute roll soup? Yes, we did. Yeah, it looks really good. So do need to see a lot more structure though, which I don't think, yeah, we didn't get it. Yeah, again, I would be looking for longs from here, but yeah, we have this huge drop here. So I don't think there's even anything that's gonna represent itself. Yeah, we did take a 4-hour low, so if I want to be looking for longs, then at least I need to see a 5-minute roll soup again. Let's see. Which hasn't even happened yet, no. Just trending lower. Wow, this is a crazy trend line. I do think that we're gonna get back up there. Did tap into the daily inefficiency, so I would be looking for long still again. Didn't get the 5-minute roll soup yet, so I'd still wait. I don't think there's gonna be anything, but let's see. Still in the right time, but not my setup yet. We did take equal lows now. We do have a singular Sibi here. Yeah, we have 2 minutes. Yeah, this didn't close above, so no entry. This would have closed above. That would probably be break even as well, but let's see what we're gonna do. So yeah, it would have worked there. It hasn't been taken, but we probably will take it. But I think it was a break even setup anyway, so take the high, that will be break even. Yeah, break even on there. Yeah, the buys could be correct. I still think that we want to take those highs. Probably an Asia session or something. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I'd still be looking for longs. But now I'd skip the rest of the, or skip of course the overnight session. So Friday, let me put the sound a bit loud, or less louder. Okay. So yeah, I'd still be looking for longs. This looks good. We did inverse this, but I already took the highs up there. Then we do have a singular inefficiency. Should be on the 1 hour, which is actually a huge one. But yeah, we are inside of the bigger time frame busy again, which is on the like weekly, I think, for ES. And then NQ is holding that daily one, which is good. But yeah, again, I would be looking for long, so this would be the target. Also here. But yeah, we are holding this singular 1 hour here. Because this is the low swing low. High swing low to low swing low there. I would anticipate this to be an inversion, like we did get that bullish reaction, but still do have these equal lows here. Let's see. Still be looking for longs. Remove this. Let's look on ES. Okay, so ES 29 minutes, and then ES is gonna close above this probably. And then that would give me more confidence of going to the high, which matches my narrative and bias. And then 1 hour in 29 minutes, we have a singular 1 hour busy here as well on NQ. And then on ES, a 30-minute one. But probably you want to look for lower prices here. Have like a Judas swing lower. And then from there, look for higher prices. So this does look good. We did inverse this. I should have been taking this. Or no. So this closed above. Yeah, okay. That was an entry. So place order. And then break even would be pretty quick, because this would be break even, which is beyond a 1-on-1, so it'd be a 1-on-1 break even. But also when this hits on ES, that would also be my break even. So once that gets hit, then I'll be break even right away. Did take all these equal lows at one singular candle here, trading lower, also with the bullish bias, of course. Here. And let's see. Alright, let's issue one candle. That's a break even. This would be first CP, which is inside of a 1 to 2, which actually that has already been taken on ES. So first CP would be a static fixed 1 to 2. And then full TP would be at the high there, but let's just first see if we even get there. Stops are break even. So that's a break even trade, and wow. Crazy, but yeah. Again, another break even there. And then TP. Wait. It wasn't even a valid trade. Oh, it actually was, but on a 2-minute. Let's go back, and there's still an opportunity. Okay, so we have a Sibby here on the 1 minute, another Sibby here. And on the 2 minute, we have a singular one here. Then this wouldn't be a trade, because that's where I would go break even. So this wasn't a trade anyway. Wait here then. I do have Friday 10 AM news, so that's what I would be waiting for, which is here. There, and then also here. Okay, so we did take all these equal lows. We don't have an inversion yet. So I'd still wait. Probably on that suit, no, okay. Would still wait. Still be looking for longs. Took one low here. Actually took equal lows on this. Yeah, that is my setup, okay. So going back for this. To take equal lows on this here. And then I have the singular inversion here. Still on the right time as well. Closure above, yeah, we did get it. And that's gonna be the entry. Stop second lowest candle. I don't know why this changes. This is all low resistance, so it'd be a 1-on-1 break even. And then first CP is gonna be at this high, I think. Yeah, okay, so let's see here. And then break even at the 101, or for ES it would be it would be these highs. So let's see here. Immediate stop out Is it actually? Yeah, okay. Bias would be wrong, so that's totally fine. Another loss. Crazy. Put it in here. Still would be bullish. Still holding this bear time frame daily bis here. And I'd only be looking for shorts if we close below. And then on ES we don't have anything there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and we are holding this bear time frame SIBI, so that does look bearish, of course. But yeah, we do have an SMT now at the lows. I think this is outside my trading time. If it is, no, not yet. It's about to be though. Okay, this was my setup here. Let's see. Wow, that would have been another loss. Well, I will take it because that's what I would have done there. Do you prioritize liquidity and imbalance? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Liquidity, time, and imbalances. That's normally that's everything that I trade. We do have the. Wait, did we? Yeah, this would be my setup. Wow. This would have been another loss, so 2 losses on the day. Very unfortunate. Literally with 1 tick. But yeah, that would be 2 losses on the day, so I wouldn't be trading here anymore. That's just pretty unfortunate. What do you prioritize, Ahmad? But yeah, crazy price action. Honestly, wasn't expecting this. Took the buy set up there. Literally that reaction all the way lower. That's okay, but yeah, that's a trading day for me. Let's see what that day was gonna do. It's going even lower, and yeah, it did close below it now. So I would look for shorts now. We're holding the 3-day SIBI. Just looking at what the bigger time frame is doing, like the bigger bear time frame is saying it's bullish, of course, but we are respecting this, and we're also disrespecting this, which both show bearish. And then on ES, we don't have any singular inefficiency here, but could target equilibrium first, and then for NQ would be the same. Also would target equilibrium at least. And then from there probably optimal trade entry or the wick. Because I would still be bullish because on the 3-week chart we're holding this singular busy here. Which I do think it's gonna hold. Yeah, otherwise we do have these perfectly equal lows on NQ, which already we do have an SMT there as well. But yeah, this is now showing me both bearish, so that's the bigger time frame structure shift that has to happen before I can look for longs again. So now I'll just be looking for shorts into equilibrium. So I have all these equal highs up here, which has already been taken on ES. Wait, this is a Monday. I don't even know if there's news. Okay, yeah, there is 8:30 news, which is good. And then we do have Powell speaking this week, and that's the only major impactful news. Let's see here. So trade higher, that's good. Do need to see some more structure before I can look for shorts. Buys would be bearish now. Still nothing here. Do have taken equal highs up there on ES. Nothing yet on NQ. Nothing yet. That would be the 10 AM candle opening. Also here. Wait. I mean, we did take high up here. Yeah, nothing here yet for short. Nothing here yet. Okay, so we did take all these highs now. Do have a singular 2-minute. And we trade even higher. Wow. Okay. So yeah, still the daily, this should be acting as an inversion, so this could be a big wick. So from here I would be expecting like a big drop lower. Let's see what we have on ES. So on ES we have a singular SIBI here, which we're also holding. We do have this big wick here. Let's see. So we do have this singular 1 hour here, which we're also holding on NQ. So short speed should be like, we should be getting like a big drop here. Like honestly. And then on ES we're actually holding this 30 minute, which we did close above here. So this is that high of that significant range. Maybe you want to take that, but I would be looking for short still. Because we could maybe take it, but like the bias is still bearish. I'm not looking for longs into that because I want to see it. So this is good. Okay, so ES has now taken those highs, which are significant highs because we have a singular FEG in that range. And then this would be the SMT. And let's see if we actually want to have a drop lower now, even though this looks really, really bullish. Still, we didn't take any liquidity going higher. Let's see what time this is. Still on the right time. This is a 4 hour high. Yeah, it actually is. So I have to wait for 5 minutes turtle soup, which probably won't happen until PM session. Okay, so we do have a SMT. Okay, so we could still look for shorts here, which we don't have a singular inversion on this here. We do have a BISI here, but no singular inversion. So there's no trade for me yet. And then this is outside my kill zone. Let's go to the PM session. They did get some reaction lower, but it can go higher. This looks like a really clean power 3. But again, I would be looking for shorts. We're holding this inversion. We're holding this bigger time frame SIBI. Like everything is now showing me that it wants to be bearish. So yeah, let's see here. Wow, what the hell? Okay, so that looks like it's in the right direction. But still I need to see manipulation higher before I go look for shorts. That's one high taken. That's one high taken. Wow. We're gonna push back up. Okay, so the take equal lows now. I don't have an inversion, so no trade. Nothing here. Do have a 2 minute, which still isn't the trade I'm looking for. This price action looks crazy. Let's see 2 PM candle opening. Here as well. Let's see, now take all those highs. Again, take this high as well. So again, have another SMT highs. And we took equal highs. Do we have a singular inversion? We do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so this finally closed below, but there's no trade because this would be my break even, which ES already took. So again, no trade. Would wait. Took one high here. Not yet because we're not trending lower yet. Would wait. This is just some crazy price action. Nothing here. Took one. Yeah, this is gonna be nothing here. Yeah, so that's the session. No trades here. Literally didn't take any trade all day. Let's see what the overnight session is gonna do. Which I'll be going to Tuesday now, where we also have high impact floor news. Okay, we do get that drop after we did disrespect this, but yeah, we didn't have an SMT at this. And then what the hell? Why didn't it? What the hell? Okay. So we do have an SMT at this high. Need to make this more clean. See what we did on the bigger time frame here. We did close back above. Again, we are below it. So technically, I would be looking for bullish prices here. But yeah, we still have equal lows, which we did take actually. So I would be looking for longs here again. Well, until equal, or yeah, I would be looking for longs here again. Wow, that's crazy because of that inversion on the daily time frame. This would be a reclaimed BISI. Then again, I would wait until the close below there. So even though we have equilibrium, I would still be looking for longs. Take equal lows on this. I do need to see at least a 5 minute turtle soup before I can look for longs. You do have an SMT at the lows as well. Let's see here. So at least a 5-minute drill suit before I can look for longs. Which there's nothing here yet. What a push. Yeah, let's see. Still nothing. I think this is just going to be the whole session again. That'll be the PM. So yeah, this is also fine. Where we have taken internal liquidity on the 5-minute. Which we haven't. Okay, which we did. Okay, so I can look for longs again. But this price action is just, wow, up and down, up and down. Like, look at these. It's just crazy. But yeah, I'll be looking for longs here again. Like, this is showing me that, okay, I'm probably on the right, in the right direction here. Then this would be the first target, which is like low hanging fruit. Oh wow, which already has been taken on, yes. So this would be the low hanging fruit. So again, have another SMT to highs, which is crazy. You have that inversion there, and then no singular inefficiency here yet. On the ES also we don't have it yet, but we do have these equalize up here, which is going to be the target. And then yeah, let's first see if we even get there. Let's see here. So 13.15 or 13.30 needs to trade lower, which 13.30 did take the low there, which is just one low, which is not enough anyway. So nothing here yet. Oh, actually, is this taken? No, those are equal lows. Okay. So it waits. Now it equal lows has been taken. We don't even have an inversion, so no trade. Tap back into the inversion or the reclaimed busy. Let's see what we get here. Nothing here. Now take equal lows. What time is this? Okay, wow, this can be a really good trade if this does inverse. And this is that reclaimed busy on the daily. And then at 2 hour, we didn't tap it yet, which it doesn't have to. And then on ES, we are about to create that singular busy. Let's see here. So if this does inverse, then that would be a trade, which it does. We took equal lows on this candle. Also here, don't have to, but it also did. This would be the closure above. Stop would be the second lowest candle of the sweep. That would be my entry. Break even would be at this high, which would be on the 1-to-1, so it would be a 1-to-1 break even. First TP is going to be a stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model, which is going to be this high. Yes. So 5 minute, I see this is stage of accumulation, and this as well. So that would be first TP. And then on ES, same thing. So this here and this here. Let's just mark that out. So that's going to be first TP, which is a 1 to 3.2. No, wait, actually, this is going to be first TP because that's the low hanging fruit. 1 to 2 would be first TP, and then maybe this is going to be final TP because that takes 75% off at a 1 to 2. But yeah, 1 to 1 would be break even. Let's first see if we even come there. Wow. Crazy, another loss, copy image, on to the next one. So, took one loss on this day. Iron this singular 1 hour, which we are about to close below actually. But then again, I can look for equilibrium. Same on ES, which we did already tap. So marking out optimal trade entry, which we probably also tapped. Yeah, okay, we did perfectly actually. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. So let's see, 2 PM candle opening. Also here, 2 PM candle opening. Let's see what we have now. Again, we didn't take any liquidity going to the downside, so this doesn't make sense to me here. But yeah, market can do anything at once. Let's see here. What did we do here? Took one low. Took one low, nothing. Did we take this low? No, equal low, so nothing here. with weight. Again, nothing here with weight. I'm really new, and the first thing I saw was people saying all you need is imbalance and liquidity, so I'm trying to master it, but I still have no idea how to read shit, but I got the concept of it though. Yeah, it's like a really simple one is like going to the bigger time frame, and then all you look for is internal to external. So like you have like a leg here, which let's say you're bullish, like this would be a daily SIBI, and you have that marked on your chart. And literally what you do, if you're bullish, the Tron liquidity is bullish, you target this like low hanging fruit, which would be the same. No, it would be this stays high. So this candle is still trading lower, which actually this here, because then you need a 3 candle formation. So you have one candle here, another candle here, another candle here, which would be the 3 candle pattern formation for the Fourier gap. And then this day which you're on, let's say maybe you created like equalize here. And literally all you have to do is wait for this to get tapped. And then from here look for that internal model until the buy side, and this would be your drawn liquidity all the way there. But that's literally how you can trade it. But you have to see the market structure. Like maybe this sounds really like, oh yeah, I know that already, but you really have to find the structure in it. Like you have to know like the price X fractal. So you need to find every bigger time frame model. So let's say here you have to have BISI again. So from here, let's say, I don't know what your model is. It could be like the 2022 model, but here, the BISI here, what you would do is wait until this gets tapped, and then you zoom in, and then again until like when you are inside of that BISI here, like you do wait for the same thing. Like maybe I can explain me even better. Let me actually look here. Okay, let me make something here. Okay, this would be your drawn liquidity. Okay, then you wait for this to get tapped. That's the step one. And then you zoom in. Let me make this a bit more clear. On what time frame do you actually place our buy and sell? That could be totally up to you. If you're like a scalper and you like to be like, that's really personal. If you want to be in trades for a short period of time, that can be like a 1 minute till 5 minutes. If you like to hold the entire day, then you could be entering on a 1 hour, a 15 minutes. And if you like to hold longer than that, then you probably will be like on a 1 hour, 4 hour, maybe a daily. But that would be swing trading. But you really have to know yourself. Like you're probably already thinking like, oh yeah, I really like to be in like max half an hour, max an hour in the trade. So then you probably will be taking your entries on a 1 till 5 minute. But it really depends on the structure you're having, or what you prefer as well. But let's say here, and this would be the period time frame BISI which you're in. And then again, you would be looking for the same thing. So this from here comes lower. And you could maybe even use the inversion as well. What do you do? I trade the inversion model, but this would be maybe a good one explaining this. I don't know if this is actually clear, but you basically wait for this is on the daily time frame. Let's say this is on the 4 hour time frame. And then again you zoom in, and then again after another one, and then in here, while this is in a daily, while this is in a 4 hour, which is also in a daily, you zoom in even more. You go from the 4 hour to the 1 hour, 1 hour to the 15 minute. You try to refine it even more, if you know what I mean. Like because time price is fractal, you can zoom in even more. Like what's that? Like basically what you have is, I don't know if you know the 2022 model, which is the breaker setup with the Fourier gap, which this would be your breaker. So you have the low, you have the high, you have the lower low, you have the higher high. From here, this would be your, like you have an imbalance here. So this would be a BISI. And then you have the breaker overlapping with that BISI here. And then from here, it would be looking for longs. That would be the 2022 model. But my inversion model would be, it's not mine, but the inversion model would be, you have an inversion of this leg. So this, let's say you have a You have B. You have C. And then, yeah, this would be D. So you have A, B, C, D. Or you have, wait, I'm totally doing it wrong here. So this would be A, B, C, D. So the breaker would be A, B, C, D. And this would be your breaker setup with the Fourier gap overlapping. So that would be the 2022 model. But my model is the B to C leg inside of that breaker. You anticipate the breaker to happen. You find the inversion. And from here, when this gets closed above, then this would be my entry. Like it's anticipating this setup to happen, which literally happens everywhere. But you just got to be in the right setup. Has to be the right time. But I hope that is clear. If you don't know ICT, then it's probably pretty hard to understand. But if I go to the charts here, then I can literally find one. So let's see here. Let's just zoom in even more to get a really clear one. So I think this one, yeah. So that'll be on a 2 hour. Okay, let's just make this on the 1 hour to make it more clear. Okay, so this would be your short, like let's say you're bearish. This would be your A, and then this trades lower. So this is A, oh my god. So this is A, this would be your B, this would be your C, and this would be your D. And you can see maybe the breaker, hopefully you can see it here. Make it even more clear. So you see the breaker setup here. Then the pullback to this inefficiency, which is the SIBI. This would be your 2022 model for it to go lower. You can see it happen here as well. That would probably be on a lower time frame. Maybe I didn't pick the right example. I'm new, but I understand a tiny bit. Yeah, this would be your... I'm going to find a better example because this isn't a clear one. Let's see. Yeah, this would also be one. Okay, so here you have this. This would be a bullish example. Maybe that's clearer to see. So you can see this here. You have the A, you have B, C, D. So you make a low, you make a high, you make a lower low, you make a higher high. So this would be a bearish trend. Okay, so you have the higher, what is it? Higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, but then you suddenly make a higher high. That would be your breaker setup. And then also what you have with this breaker setup is you have an inefficiency aligning with it. That would be your 2022 model. But what I do is I look for the A to B leg. So that would be this leg here. So A, B, or B to C leg, sorry. A, B, B to C. That would be this leg. I look for an inversion here. Once this get inversed, then that's my entry. Like it's really... if you don't understand IC concept, then maybe it's really complicated. Like I can see where it's really complicated, but that's my model. Today's price action was as, yeah, it was. Let me check. I'm not, I was only trading the AM session for today. I really wasn't expecting that to drop lower. Let's see where we are now. Yeah, I was looking for bullish prices, but didn't get any opportunity to even go along. And yeah, of course, the drop here. Really wasn't expecting it, like really, to be honest. And yeah, not touching the PM session because of medium impact folder news. But yeah, this is probably my draw on liquidity. Equal lows here, equilibrium, volume imbalance. But yeah, price action wasn't really that good, no. It was really good, but like not for me. Probably for some other people, of course. Yeah, not for me. But yeah, where was I? I was still looking for longs here. Actually have to go in a few minutes. Tuesday, let's go to Wednesday. We only have medium impact follower news, so only trade the AM session here. Well, we trade lower here again, closing below this, which would be a reclaimed SIBI. And did we close below this again? This candle was still developing, so that didn't close below. Yeah, we did close below this here, so that would be a reclaimed SIBI. So again, I'll be looking for shorts here, which is just crazy. This price action is really crazy. No trades for me yet this week. Yeah, same for me. Also no trades for me this entire week. And also be looking for shorts here. Again, have an SMT to highs, but this is just, wow. We have no inefficiency here, but yeah, that's a reclaimed SIBI. That would be equilibrium, which you already tapped. Yeah, of course. Then again, look for shorts here. So only AM trading this session. We do have perfectly equal highs up here. Well, yeah, here as well. Let's see if we want to take those. It's a high way to go, but those I will mark out. Yeah, I am looking for shorts. We are holding the singular SIBI here. Also here. And then we do have equal lows here. Hopefully we trade higher here. Let's see. Oh wow, we really do. Okay, so those are the equal highs. We did take them. And then where are we now? We do have a singular SIBI here. And then we are above this again. And then we do have equilibrium here. And then for ES or NQ, also have this here. Let's see, I would still be looking for shorts. Only for 5 candles, let's see. No entry yet, I think. 2 minutes. Okay, we do have a singular 2 minute, which this candle is about to close below. That would be, oh no, it wouldn't be an entry because this would be my break even, and ES already took it, so nothing here. So we'd wait for more structure. We did take equal highs with no inversion, no trade. And I think this again is going to be choppy price action. We do have Powell speaking this week. That could be the explaining the price action. Nothing here. Let's see. Still draws lower, so I'll still be looking for shorts. They take equal highs. We do have a singular busy here, which we did close below. Let's see now. And then we took it on this. Took all this actually, whoops. And then ES, same thing. Even took this. Yes, no, we didn't. What? Still, that would be my setup. Stop second highest candle. First CP would be the low hanging fruit, which is going to be at least the 1 or 2. And then break even is going to be at a 1 to 1. Let's see here. And another stop out. Wow, this price action again. September and October. Wow, crazy data on those. Okay, so that's one loss for the day. Still have the reclaimed SIBI here. This should be acting as an inversion, holding the bear time frame SIBI here as well. Did you catch QQ puts today? No. I was looking for I don't trade options, but I was looking for longs today. Totally didn't expect the move that we had today, so yeah. Still be looking for shorts, but this is just crazy for me. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's see. Wait for a lot more, well, wait for a lot more structure here, I wanted to say. Do a singular 3 minute here, which would be my entry, which would be on this candle. I don't think that's going to be a good entry. But yeah, it is on below the 5 minutes, so that would be my entry. Took out all these equal highs. It's not just this one, it's also these. And then one more. That'll be the closure below. Stop, second highest candle, which is pretty big stop. This would be break even, or a break even here on yes. First CP is going to be at a static 1 and 2, which this is actually my draw on liquidity. Also would be a static 1 and 2 or fixed 1 and 2. And then yeah, also there, let's see here. So that's a break even. Let's see. And that's a break-even trade. Okay. Let's see what I actually was gonna do here. Let's go to 13.15 because there I would be on the charts again in the PM session. Okay, so we'll just mark this out. Copy image. What time confluences do you use? I trade from, I only trade the New York session. I do have sometimes for London session, but mainly, oh wait, what? Oh yeah, we already took the low on it, yes. I normally only trade the New York session. I trade from 9:30 to 11:15, and then I don't trade lunch, and then I trade 13:15 to 15. So those are the times that I trade. Yeah, I actually really have to go here. Did 1 hour stream, I think. Yeah, exactly 1 hour, so that's good. Yeah, I really have to go. Wow, crazy price action for me. I think I'm on a really big losing streak here, actually. Literally, what is this? Is that a loss? Yeah, 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss, 4 loss, 5 loss, and a break even. Wow, again on the 5 loss losing streak. Crazy, but yeah, it is what it is. Nothing to do about it. Yeah, that will be it. Yeah, I really appreciate that you guys were watching here, asking questions as well. No macros? Yeah, that's including the macros. But I trade the kill zones and then I included the macros. But yeah, I really have to go. Thank you guys for being in the stream. I really appreciate it, honestly. Thank you. But yeah, I really have to go here. I'll see you hopefully in the next stream. Yeah, see you guys. Thank you.